Hope you're able to hear me. How are you? Are you able to hear me, Ankit? Good morning. Are you able to hear me, Ankit? Could you please comment in the chat box? That would be helpful. Can you hear me? Okay, thank you. Ankit, you're going for which attempt? If you could, you're doing well in CR, so I wanted to send you some difficult questions. So, for which attempt are you going for? I thought maybe some PDF would help. 2022. Okay. Okay. Hi Oshan. Hi Udvisita. Good morning. How are you all? Hi Ginisha. Good morning, Bete. Good morning. So let's start with our today's session. Before we proceed, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Juhi Narula. I have 12 years of experience in training students for CAT, GMAT, and GRE. I also happen to be a life skills coach and a content creator. I've done my bachelor's in technology and master's in business administration. Hi Ritika. Hi Himanshu. Good morning. So apart from our offerings, which are our special classes and our sessions on YouTube channel Cat for MBA, we also offer you two subscriptions that we label Plus and Iconic. So there are some amazing features, and plus there are live classes, there are weekly tests, there is unlimited access to the sessions, and the courses are structured, right? And if you're going for Iconic, you have all the features of Plus. Apart from it, you have a personal code. So I mean, I always highlight this particular feature because that's an amazing, thing that you should be, really look forward to in this subscription. You have a person who's an expert, and he or she is going to help you, in your entire journey of preparation. So if a person who's able to give you a sane advice as per your strengths and weaknesses. Then there's a customized study planner. Then there are notes that are provided to you. There are expert guidelines, detailed test analysis. So whenever you are appearing for the test, it is important that, say, you've given two particular hours to appear for the test. Ensure that you're at least investing 1 hour for the analysis. That is very, very important. And detailed test analysis definitely helps you understand where are your weak areas, where do you need to improve, and that will definitely give a boost to your performance. Hi Sony. Hi Preeti. Hi Tanmay. So for Plus subscription, the fees for 6 months is 16,400. For 12 months, it is 22,550, and for 24 months, it is 32,800. You can use the code JNLive10 to get a 10% off on any of the subscriptions. Okay. So for Iconic, if you're going for 12 months, the fees is 39,500. If you're going for 24 months, which the fees is 59,999. Again, you can use the code to get a 10% off. So the same to unlock special classes, to enroll for the courses, and also to appear for combats. Good morning Preeti, Tanmay, Saurabh. I hope you're doing well, everybody. This is the Telegram channel. Please join the Telegram channel. I was planning this. I was talking to Ankit also before rest of you joined. I wanted to share some PDFs for critical reasoning questions. So I hope everybody is there on the Telegram channel, so that you can use those particular questions. So that would be helpful. Okay. So I'll share some PDFs. I'll try to provide solutions also, so that you can practice on your own. So further dependency on the trainer would reduce. Okay. So let's quickly start. So students who are new, we are quickly going to revise the concepts, so that you are familiar with what we are doing. Anyways, for rest of you, it could be a revision. So we are basically working on CR questions. So CR questions have got three parts. It has got an argument, which is a passage. Then there is a question followed by options. ठीक है उषा, ठीक है. Let me work on it. RC, so anyways हम evening में कर ही रहे हैं. आप लोग evening में आ जाओ. एक previous year का RC कर ही रहे हैं. वैसे भी we'll be starting with it. I mean, I will also try to incorporate some questions in the group also. Hi Govind, hi Alan Musk. So there are options. So there are three parts to any argument question. So when we further try and understand that what is an argument, it is a small paragraph the author writes in order to reach to a claim or a conclusion, and in order to validate that claim or conclusion, the author offers evidence or premise. We can use claim and conclusion interchangeably, evidence and premise interchangeably. Usually the type of arguments that you get in CR, they are very small. So they are not detailed paragraphs, they are small arguments. So unfortunately, what happens is that not all the aspects are taken into consideration while establishing the conclusion. So that eventually leads to certain flaws in the arguments. That means, what are flaws? The aspects which have not been taken into consideration while the author reached to the conclusion. So now if the flaws are not taken into the consideration, then the argument will collapse. So in order to ensure that the argument does not collapse, we take into consideration assumption. तो assumption का role क्या होता है आपका? It helps the conclusion to stand, and doesn't collapse. So that's what the assumption tries to do, and assumption is usually always implicit in nature. So anyways, if you get certain bold statements and you're asked what is the role of the bold face statement, then it can never be an assumption. Assumption is always implicit, मतलब hidden है. तो assumption क्या करता है? जो भी aspect, क्योंकि hidden है तो आप कुछ भी assume कर लो. Ultimately जो भी lapses है argument के, that can be sorted taking assumption into consideration. So these are three important aspects of argument. Anybody who has not understood or is not having any clarity on any of the aspects, you can please go ahead and ask. Otherwise, we move ahead. Okay, I hope everybody is making sense here. Okay. So there are few relationships. Why I'm really pointing out on the relationships again and again, because if you're able to observe, your question solving will really become quick. So these doing these patterns anyways, हर में conclusion और premise तो है ही, तो अगर आप वो भी कर लोगे तो deconstruct करके questions you can definitely solve. But why do we put emphasis that you try to see these particular patterns? Because if you're able to observe these patterns, your question solving will be done in less than a minute, and maybe at times in 40 seconds. So that is the reason work on the arguments. इसका detailed session हमने किया है. So anybody who has not attended the session can watch that session on special classes, right? So types of arguments करके एक session था. The second session of CR, you can go ahead and take a look. It has been discussed in detail, but anyways, I'll still touch base. So what is cause and effect? There's a cause present and that leads to an effect. So what is the assumption? That there is no other cause present. Right? So if I say that, practicing for 2 hours every day helped the dancer to perform well in the stage show. So we are saying that practicing is only responsible. Now, maybe Priya can say, ma'am, she was, trained by an expert. So then in that case, what are we trying to do? We are trying to basically we're trying to target the argument. So हमने कहा कि she was practicing for 2 hours, that has led to her great performance on the stage. बट अगर हम ये कह दें कि उसका इसलिए शी डिड वेल ऑन द स्टेज बिकॉज शी वाज being trained by a professional, so you can say that is weakening the argument, that is saying the other factors are also responsible, right? Or we can say that the other competitors were not good, so that is the reason she performed well. So the moment you point out other causes, you are basically trying to weaken the argument. And if the moment you try to say that, see, there was no other cause present, so the other performers were equally good, and the judges were equally honest in the decisions, or they were trained जीमैट क्लब से आरसी कैसे पढ़ते हैं? आप वहां पे अकाउंट बना लो ईशान, ठीक है, फिर यू विल हैव एक्सेस टू द क्वेश्चंस। वहां पे एक रिसोर्स का एक सेक्शन, हाँ तो रिसोर्स का सेक्शन है, उसमें फिल्टर लग जाएगा, आपको कहाँ से चाहिए, आपको ओजी से चाहिए, प्रिंसटन रिव्यू से चाहिए, कैपलान से चाहिए, ठीक है। सो यू विल सी अ फिल्टर देयर। तो वहां पर आप टाइप ऑफ डिफिकल्टी लेवल पैसेजेस, तो जो अंडर 600 है वो इजी है, अबव 800 डिफिकल्ट है, 700 800 डिफिकल्ट है, 600 to 700 इंटरमीडिएट डिफिकल्टी लेवल, ठीक है। So this is cause and effect, so I hope everybody is clear. So in an argument, if the cause is present that is creating an effect, you are assuming that there is no other cause present. The moment you attack the assumption, you weaken the argument. The moment you reinstate the assumption, you strengthen the argument. Okay, so what is resemblance? Resemblance is similarity. What is true for x is also true for y, assuming both are similar in nature. Okay, anything that is true for x, you're also applying it to y, assuming both are similar in nature. Okay, and how do you weaken it? You say both are not similar. How do you strengthen it? You point out the similarities between the two. ठीक है, अब सपोज संचिता ने ज्वाइन किया और हर्ष ने ज्वाइन किया, तो मैं उनको बता रही हूँ कि ये टाइप ऑफ पैटर्न्स इज दैट व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग, right? So what am I assuming? That Sanchita and Harsh have not have not been aware what's going on, and both are at the same situation because both have joined at the same time. So I'm assuming both are at, both are similar. But if I say Harsh has already attended this session before, when the actual session happened, here we are just revising, then you are trying to weaken the argument, then you are trying to say both are not similar. Okay, so that's way how you do resemblance. And what is planning pattern? Planning pattern is, there's a problem and you make a plan. What is the assumption? The plan is going to work. And if you have to weaken the argument, what you will say, you'll identify problems with the plan, right? And what is sampling? Something that is true for x, you apply it to y also. y मतलब larger group है, y यहाँ पे larger group है, तो आपने एक रिसर्च की 5 लोगों पे और आपने उसको 100 पे अप्लाई कर दिया, दिस इज सैम्पलिंग। एनालॉजी पे क्या होता है, एक पे रिसर्च की, एक को देखा और वैसा सेम दूसरे पे अप्लाई कर दिया, राइट? तो यहाँ पर एक स्मॉलर सेट पे रिसर्च होती है एंड यू अप्लाइंग इट टू द लार्जर ग्रुप. व्हाट डू यू अज्यूम? द सैंपल इज रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. I hope we are clear with these patterns. Any doubt, anybody? You can please go ahead and ask, otherwise we'll move ahead. Anybody? Sanchita, Harsh, Harshita, Ushan, who else is there in the class? Udbisita, Ankit, Abhishek, Priya, Mudit, Neil, Alan Musk, Govind, Tanmay, Saurabh, Preeti, Soni, Himanshu. Anybody who has got any of the doubts, if you could please go ahead and ask. Chalo, good. Thank you, Saurabh. Thank you, Ganesha, for the responses. Let's proceed. So how do we approach the questions? मैं बार बार इसलिए रिवाइज करा रही हूँ. Resemblance, अच्छा ठीक है. देखो resemblance में क्या होता है, एलन मस्क, हाँ तन्मय बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो. I'll just quickly touch base on those points again. देखो, सो रिजेम्बलेंस में क्या है, ये एनालॉजी है, जैसा तन्मय ने इसको दूसरा नाम दिया. तो मैंने आपको कहा कि मैंने जयपुर में मेट्रो लॉन्च की है एंड इट वाज सुपर सक्सेसफुल, इट हैज गॉट पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्सेज. तो अब मैं मेट्रो जोधपुर में भी लॉन्च कर दूंगी, right? So what I'm assuming, both the cities are having same conditions, both the cities are having the same requirement of transportation, both the cities have same distances. So if it has been successful in Jaipur, it will be successful in Jodhpur. So this is what is analogy, right? But अगर मैं आपको ये कहूँ कि मैंने जयपुर में मेट्रो लॉन्च की and it was super successful, now I'm planning to launch metros in all the cities of Rajasthan. This is sampling. I hope Alan and Tanmay, we are clear here. Are we clear here? Alan, is it clear now? ठीक है, good. Tanmay, chalo, good. So that's the basic approach. You read the question stem. That is very, very important, right? Without reading the question stem, if you are मूविंग अहेड यू आर मेकिंग अ मिस्टेक, प्लीज डोंट डू दैट। जो आप कहते हो ना मेरा से टाइम नहीं मैनेज हो रहा, क्योंकि वो 2 बार इटरेशन होती है। पहले पैसेज पढ़ते हो, आर्ग्यूमेंट पढ़ते हो, फिर क्वेश्चन पे आते हो। हाँ बोल सकते हो, ठीक है। वैसे तो वो मास्टर्स को इंक्लूड कर लेंगे, वी ट्राइंग टू इंक्लूड एनीबडी एंड एवरीबडी, बट अगर हम ये कहते हैं कि 10 लोगों पे लगा दी और इनको अब नहीं हो रहा कोविड, तो इसलिए अब 1000 पे लगा देते हैं। जो इनिशियली जो आपने रिसर्च करी थी या पास किया था मेडिसिन को, दैट वाज ऑन द सेम ग्राउंड। ओके, आई होप रितिका इट इज फाइन। सो हम यूजुअली क्या करते हैं, आर्ग्यूमेंट पढ़ते हैं, फिर क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं, फिर आर्ग्यूमेंट पे जाते हैं। अब आर्ग्यूमेंट का ट्रीटमेंट अलग है, इन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं, रिजॉल्व एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं, तो सिर्फ फैक्ट्स को नोटिस करना है। और अगर दूसरे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं तो उसमें आप प्रेमाइस और कंक्लूजन भी आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, राइट। सो हाउ डू यू डील विद द आर्ग्यूमेंट, यू विल डील विद द आर्ग्यूमेंट आफ्टर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन। सो प्लीज मेक इट अ पॉइंट, पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़िए, फिर आर्ग्यूमेंट पढ़िए, एक पॉसिबल सा आंसर दिमाग में रखिए। आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू हैव टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज, बैंग ऑन, it has to be well phrased, but you should know what the answer is supposed to do. Then eliminating will become really really easy, and process of elimination is what I swear by. I firmly believe that keep on eliminating the incorrect choices, whatever remains shall serve as the right answer. So you should be sure why these 4 can't be the correct answers. Instead, what do? We try to make ourselves sure why C is correct. Rather, try to ensure why the other 4 are definitely wrong. That's going to be helpful. हाँ, correct, Ritika, correct सोच रहे हो, that's right. So now these are common grounds of elimination. So information beyond the scope of the argument, out of scope, out of context, these answers are not to be entertained. It is testing you on how good you are in decision making based on the given situation. Instinctive reasoning nahi karenge. So there was a student who told me that, ma'am, since I was not able to understand the argument, I marked the answer what I could feel correct. So what are you feeling correct is not going to drive the questions, right? And be aware of extreme answer choices whenever you encounter words like all, always, none, only, must, नेवर। हमने वैसे एक क्वेश्चन किया था जिसमें ऑल करेक्ट था, तो आई एम नॉट सेइंग आउटराइटली रिजेक्ट कर दीजिए, बट द बॉटम लाइन इज दैट देयर कैन नॉट बी एनी आंसर चॉइस व्हिच इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन द क्लेम मेड बाय द ऑथर. So these will be the common grounds of elimination on which we are going to work. So let's quickly solve some questions. Any doubts, anybody so far? Any trouble? Anybody wants to ask anything? Please go ahead. Okay, thank you, Ritika. So let's start with the first question today. Let's do it aram se, you read it, and then we are going to discuss, then we are going to possibly create a poll also. Let's do it. Tomorrow hopefully should be our we should be able to complete with our super 30 series, and we will start with the reading comprehension questions previous years as that was discussed. I'll see how many questions. I think 12 we did in the previous week, 5 we have done yesterday, 5 we have done. So 22 we have done, 8 we will do tomorrow. Okay. Let me know once you are done reading. I'll create the poll then. Okay. Good, very good. Good, very good. Okay, very, very good. Very good. That's nice. You've started, getting the hang of the type of questions. Okay. So let's quickly see this question before we move to the next one. Raju and Sagar, we are doing critical reasoning questions. We have done the basic tactics revision and we have done the first question. Students have done, we have just started discussing it, so you can join. Which of the following conclusions can be properly inferred? So it's an inference question. Inference में आप क्या करोगे? Facts को देखोगे. So government restrictions have severely limited the amount of stem cell research American companies can conduct. Because of these restrictions, many American scientists who specialize in the field of stem cell research have signed long-term contracts to work for foreign companies. So there are, rigid norms in America. So American scientists who are specialized, they have signed long-term contracts to work for foreign companies. So recently, Congress has proposed, not lifted. So please be careful, propose lifting all restrictions on stem cell research. So I hope the argument is clear. So more or less, we are working on three facts. Government has, put a lot of restrictions on stem cell research. So the scientists are working with the foreign companies, and recently Congress has proposed lifting all restrictions on stem cell research. So now let's take a look at the options. At least some foreign companies that conduct stem cell research work under fewer restrictions. अगर मेरी कंट्री में रिस्ट्रिक्शन है, अमेरिका में रिस्ट्रिक्शन है और साइंटिस्ट दूसरी फॉरेन कंपनीज के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, तो वहां रिसेंटली देयर वुड बी फ्यूअर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. सो आई होप वी कैन कीप ए. आई होप देयर इज नो डाउट हियर. ए को रख सकते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट वी आर अज्यूमिंग. अगर मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि भाई अमेरिका में बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं, इसलिए साइंटिस्ट दूसरी कंपनीज के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, तो मतलब वहां पे रिलेटिवली कम रिस्ट्रिक्शंस है, इसलिए दूसरी कंपनीज के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. सो वी कैन कीप दिस. I hope this is clear. In case there is any difficulty, you can put it in the chat box. Because American scientists are under long-term contracts to foreign companies, there will be significantly. Thank you, Vipasha. Thank you, Ganesha. Thank you, Ritika, for the response. So, because American scientists are under long-term contracts to foreign companies, there will be significant influx. Influx is coming. Influx का opposite क्या होता है? Exodus. Migration. Okay, anyways, that's like slightly out of context, but we don't know that what is the duration of contract, so this is out of scope. In all parts of the world, stem cell research is dependent on financial backing. Out of scope. Financial backing is not talked about. In the near future, American companies will be no longer at the forefront of स्टेम सेल. हाउ विल यू प्रिडिक्ट इट? नो लॉन्गर इट इज एक्सट्रीम. इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लेम कैसे कह सकते हो आप? ये तो आपने अज्यूम कर लिया ना. आप वहां पे रिसर्च की रिस्ट्रिक्शन स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो वो ऐसा नहीं होगी. आपकी खुद की रीजनिंग है, ये इंस्टिंक्टिव रीजनिंग पे आंसर है. In case anybody felt that why can't D be the answer, it is instinctive reasoning. What sounds correct, what logically persuades you, that is. But you have to see the context and then go about marking the answer. If restrictions on stem cells are lifted, many of the American scientists will break their contracts. You can't say. There can be various other factors. How can you say? Maybe contract you, or maybe they are being paid more, या फिर restrictions नहीं उतनी effectively release हो रही. We can't comment on this. So the correct answer is A. I hope this is clear to everybody. Right, Prachi, correct है. चले? चलो, शाबाश. Good. Let's move to the next question now. Start doing it. Once you have done, you let me know, then we'll create a poll. Very good, very good. Shabash, do it. And from after tomorrow's session, we are going to start with reading comprehension, previous year questions. So as discussed yesterday, we are going to start with 2019. Okay. विल ट्राई टू डू स्लॉट वाइज, स्लॉट 1 में कौन सा आया था, स्लॉट 2 में कौन सा आया था, या मे बी मिक्स ऐसा कर लेंगे, हाउएवर आई फाइंड। आई मीन अगर बहुत ही इजी हुए या एक मिक्स एंड मैच करना हुआ, वन इजी वन डिफिकल्ट, आई विल सी व्हाट ऑल कॉम्बिनेशंस आर देयर। चलो इसको ट्राई करो, वंस यू आर डन यू लेट मी नो। Please start coming in the evening also, students. They'll be doing good questions there. You'll get good exposure. I think 8 p.m. to everybody gets free. Try to come there. Let's see. Once you are done, let me know. We'll do a poll. मे बी ये ट्राई करो, मेरे को दो आंसर चॉइसेस में आपको समझाना है. देयर आर टू आंसर चॉइसेस व्हिच आर स्लाइटली ट्रिकी, so we would go for discussion. Next पे कर लेंगे poll. Let's quickly learn from this question. So when the questions of CR become difficult, the argument will not become difficult, the choices will become close. That's how the difficulty level is raised. Yes, I knew तन्मय, मुझे पता था A और C में confusion होगा. That is the reason I was saying that, you know. So Tanmay is saying he's not able to decide. Are we able to decide between A and C? Oshan has said that A can be the answer. Asim is saying E. Saurabh is saying so a lot of A is coming. B has also come. C and E also come. Prachi is saying C. Ritika is saying C. Alan Musk is saying A. So people who are going for A, why can't C be the answer? Just want to reason out. And people who are going for C, why can't A be the answer? Quickly put it in the chat box. People who are going for A, C क्यों नहीं हो सकता, और जो C के लिए जा रहे हैं वो A क्यों नहीं हो सकता? सौरभ, गिनीशा, अंकित, देखते हैं B होगा कि नहीं होगा. B और E पे डिसीजन लेंगे, पहले A और C की रीजनिंग सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं. Some answers please. Moisture leads to pole. Almost found. Correct. Very good observation, सौरभ. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Almost always. ठीक है. Good. Shabash. So which of the following is an assumption on which the argument depends? Right. So we are looking for an assumption. So we are going to read the passage and then we are going to look at the options. Every year, Raju, next पे करते हैं. Almost answers have discussed. Next पे करते हैं. ठीक है. Almost we have almost discussed. So no point now. Every year, many people become ill because of airborne mold spores in their homes. After someone becomes ill, specialists are often hired to eradicate, remove the mold. These specialists look in damp areas of the house since mold is almost always. So Saurabh was right, almost always. It is not saying always. It is saying almost always found in places where there is substantial moisture. So if one wishes to avoid mold poisoning, then one should make sure to keep all internal plumbing in good condition to prevent leakage that could serve as a breeding ground for mold. So mold itself does not create moisture. So that is the reason they are saying that internal plumbing should be in good condition. We can keep this. Most homeowners know enough about plumbing. How do we know that they know enough about plumbing? How do we know? मुझे इसमें लिखा है वन शुड मेक श्योर टू कीप ऑल इंटरनल प्लम्बिंग्स इन गुड कंडीशन. अब मैं प्लम्बर को बुला के करूं या खुद करूं, हाउ डू वी नो दिस? वी कांट कमेंट. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. अंकित, बी कांट बी द आंसर. मोल्ड कैन नॉट ग्रो इन ड्राई एरियाज. इसको रखा था आपने, तो अभी बाद में इसको एलिमिनेट करेंगे या डिसाइड करेंगे. नो वैरायटी ऑफ मोल्ड्स आर हार्मलेस. वो तो पहले ही कह रहा है कि डिजीज हो जाती है तो हार्मफुल तो है ही. सो डी कैन नॉट बी द आंसर, राइट? Mold spores cannot be filtered from air, so this also goes out. So now between A and C, molds cannot, they are saying that they almost are in moisture places, but they cannot grow. This we can't comment. So between A and C, A is the better answer. I hope, Tanmay, it is clear now. Whoever went for C, I hope it is clear. ठीक है, चलें आगे. राजू, आपको क्लियर है? Can we move to the next question now, please? Okay. Okay, good, 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 good. Very good. Shabash. Good, Saurabh. So there is this amazing feature. एक बार try करना. There is does not in A. रितिका, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा आप क्या पूछ रहे हो. वो कह रहे हैं ना कि आप मॉइस्चर से स्पेशलिस्ट लुक इन डैम्प एरियाज, तो आप पानी मत लाओ. दैट इज हाउ द आर्ग्यूमेंट इज ड्रिवन, रितिका. ठीक है. देयर इज डज नॉट इन ए, मुझे नहीं समझ में. आई एम सॉरी. आप ही बोल रहे हो इट इटसेल्फ डज नॉट, ही तो आर्ग्यूमेंट सपोर्ट कर रही है ना. एयरबोर्न मोल्ड स्पोर्स इन देयर होम्स एंड डैम्प एरियाज का है, तो खुद से नहीं हो रहा, पानी पानी में क्रिएट हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाट द पैसेज इज ट्राइंग टू से. आई होप इट इज क्लियर, रितिका. ठीक है, वेरी गुड, शाबाश. कोई बात नहीं, देयर आर इंस्टेंसेस वेयर देयर इज अ डाउट. So use this feature, select the doubt, select the question, crop the image and go to the section from where the doubt comes from. Amazing feature, use and combats. दो आप 2022 के लिए जा रहे हो, 23 के लिए जा रहे हो, 21 के लिए जा रहे हो, जिस भी अटेम्प्ट के लिए जा रहे हो, आपको मॉक देना है संडे को. द टेस्ट आर फ्री, यू हैव टू सिंपली इनरोल. संडे यूटिलाइज हो जाता है, वीकडे पे भी नहीं है. सो यू नो प्लीज इंश्योर, आप उतने जितने टेस्ट दोगे उतनी आपकी कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ेगा. मतलब जस्ट डोंट से मेरा परसेंटाइल कम आ रहा है. यू विल बी एबल टू रिफ्लेक्ट. आपकी प्रेपरेशन उतनी स्ट्रीमलाइन होगी. माय रिक्वेस्ट इज, मीन आई पर्सनली फील giving test and analyzing it well really helps, definitely helps. In case you are in college and looking for campus placement support, so there are two batches that have been started, Achievers and Hall of Fame, and some amazing support provided. So I was working with a private university in Delhi, NCR, and I was taking the classes for a cloud batch. So then we saw some, I feel preparation helps. So out of 60 students in that batch, 52 got placed. So that's the idea. If you're really preparing well for campuses, cracking becomes easier. Otherwise, आपको इतने टेस्ट बेकार करने के बाद पता चलता है what is the expectation. You can think on it. So let's quickly solve this question. Try doing it and let me know once you are done. और इस पे poll करेंगे. Let me know once you are done. You have to weaken the argument. देखो ये देखो, recent decline in the employment rate was spurred by slow economic growth in the coming year. However, these predictions would not have been affected the employment rate if there would have been lack of capital reserves of major industries. So if major industries increase their capital reserves, so employment rate will not decline. आपको क्या cause and effect relationship दिखता है? Cause and effect relationship में weaken कैसे करते हैं? ओशान, प्राची, गिनीशा, उद्भिस्तता कॉज एंड इफेक्ट रिलेशनशिप में वीकन कैसे करते हो? अदर कॉजेस, नील कह रहा है अदर कॉजेस आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं। तो मेजर इंडस्ट्री फोर्सो द ड्रॉप इन एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट, ए तो एलिमिनेट कर दें। बी का क्या करें? सम मेजर इंडस्ट्रीज हैड अप्रिशिएबल रिजर्व्स, बी का क्या करना है? अंकित इज सेइंग कीप बी। ओके, एन इंक्रीज इन लेबर कॉस्ट कुड एडवर्सली अफेक्ट द एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट, ये रख सकते हैं क्या नील? इसमें एक ऑल्टरनेट कॉज दे रहे हैं, इसको रखें या नहीं रखें? कैपिटल रिजर्व्स इंक्रीज कर देंगे तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट विल नॉट डिक्लाइन इन फ्यूचर। सो यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि कैपिटल रिजर्व्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डिक्लाइनिंग रेट। सी क्या बोल रहा है? इंक्रीज इन लेबर कॉस्ट कुड एडवर्सली इफेक्ट द एम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट। तो आप देखो सी में ऑल्टरनेट कॉस्ट दे रहे हैं। रितिका क्या करें इस आंसर चॉइस का? गिनीशा, रितिका, हर्षिता, हर्ष, whoever is there in the session। सी को क्या करना है? ओशान कह रहा है एलिमिनेट कर दो। बाकी बताओ, एलन मस्क कह रहा है कि लीव दिस। बाकी क्या करें? सौरभ क्या करें इसका? इट कैन नॉट बी द आंसर, एलिमिनेट करें या रखें? लीव दिस, अच्छा ठीक है। The government could pass legislation mandating that major industries set aside a fixed amount as capital reserves. So again irrelevant. The drop in the employment rate was far more severe, no comparison. Correct, ठीक है। So you know the answer now, right? I hope this is clear to everybody. Quickly give me a thumbs up. ठीक है, चलो करेक्ट, शाबाश, करो इसको करो। आई एम सॉरी, अब इस पे पोल करेंगे, चलो फटाफट इस पे पोल करेंगे, करो इस क्वेश्चन को जल्दी जल्दी करो। ट्राई वर्किंग ऑन स्पीड नाउ। टुमारो आई विल नॉट गिव यू मोर देन 75 seconds, so उसमें आंसर भी करना है, रीड भी करना है। स्टार्ट टेकिंग प्रेशर ऑफ टाइम। B is the best, Neil, amongst the options. Okay. So let's do fourth. Okay, very good. We've got some correct answers. Very, very good. We have to strengthen it, support करना है. Yes, Tanmay. So yes, it's more or less reasoning only. Good, very good. So at times, approximately 15% of all homes in Florida are on market. That means on sales. In Texas, 7% are on of all homes are on the market. So iske basis pe, this is the conclusion. This is the premise. One will have a wider selection of homes to choose from if one looks for a home in Florida rather than in Texas. राइट सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इफ ट्रू वुड वीकन. तो ऑफकोर्स अब वो कह रहा है कि यहाँ पर फ्लोरिडा में कितने होम्स है टू लुक फॉर 15%, टेक्सास में कितने हैं 7%. तो वो कह रहे हैं फ्लोरिडा में ज्यादा ऑप्शन है फॉर पीपल टू चूज. सो वी हैव टू स्ट्रेंथन दिस आर्ग्यूमेंट. एक्सपेंसिव की बात नहीं हो रही, आउट ऑफ स्कोप है. मॉर्टगेजेस आर इजियर टू ऑब्टेन, तो मॉर्टगेजेस की बात नहीं हो रही, ऑप्शंस की बात हो रही है टू चूज फ्रॉम. The construction industry has reported significant growth. Again, we are not talking about it. Cost of construction is again out of scope. तो अगर process of elimination से करोगे तो भी E तक पहुंच जाओगे. The total number of homes in Florida is 3 times greater than the total number in Texas. So number of homes is ज़्यादा है तो of course whatever are available for sales they will be a good number. I hope it is clear to everybody. Oshan, ठीक है? How E is the answer? चलो, good, very good. Good, very good, very good. I hope it is clear to everybody. Can we please move to the next question? Start solving it. So can you see now, we are able to cover more questions in lesser time. So, eventually it will contribute. The moment you start getting accuracy, your time will be taken care. So initially our agenda should be to work on, getting a good accuracy, and then time aspect should be taken into consideration. आप पहले टाइम में करोगे फिर एक्यूरेसी पे फोकस नहीं करोगे तो ना एक्यूरेसी बनेगी, और टाइम जल्दी में कर रहे हो तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट. आई मीन एक्यूरेसी नहीं बढ़ रही और खत्म करके बैठ गए 10 मिनट में तो फिर तो कुछ भी कर सकते हो, राइट. सो फर्स्ट यू शुड वर्क ऑन स्ट्रैटेजी, देन ऑन एक्यूरेसी, एंड देन टेक केयर ऑफ टाइम. वेरी गुड सौरभ, गुड सात्विका, वेरी गुड, वेरी वेरी गुड. गुड हर्ष, शाबाश. शाबाश तन्मय, वेरी गुड. I can see the improvement. I mean, time taken per question is coming down, accuracy is better, and these are good questions, let me tell you. Good, Raju, very good. Shabash. Very, very good. Shabash. Good improvement. So I can see there is a difference. Very good. Very good. Very, very good. So let's see. To prevent overcrowding, last month the town zoning board limited the number of new buildings. So that can be constructed in the town any year. So they've limited the number of buildings. The board claims that doing so will preserve open spaces and lessen the strain on municipal resources such as school and garbage disposal. Critics of the changes argue that plan will harm the community or the very least will fail in its purpose. Okay, so they are saying they're limiting the number of buildings, and but critics are saying they will fail in the purpose. So you have to strengthen what the critics plan. Strengthen करना है. Okay, so if it's a planning pattern, how will you strengthen it? You will say that the plan will be executed anyhow, right? So other towns have mixed success. So again, other towns is out of scope. No new schools have been built, out of scope. Property taxes not talked about. Under the new plan, developers may still erect apartment buildings. Yes, that is the reason, the harm is going to happen. So we can keep this. The nearest garbage dump is several miles away. Irrelevant. So the correct answer is D. I hope it is clear to everybody. I hope you can see the improvements. I hope you can see the progress. I hope you are able to see that you're getting better clarity. And in case you are not, then you can revise some sessions. So see, we used to do 5 questions in almost 60 minutes. And कई बार तो ऐसा भी हुआ है मुझे लास्ट का क्वेश्चन आपको होमवर्क में देना पड़ा. अब इट्स नाउ 45 मिनट्स. ये भी लास्ट 2 मिनट मैंने डिस्कस किया. अदरवाइज आपने 45 मिनट्स में, जिसमें हमने डिस्कशन का टाइम भी इंक्लूड किया है, जिसमें हमने कुछ पॉइंटर्स भी रिवाइज किए थे. सो डेफिनेटली आई कैन सी सम प्रॉमिसिंग performances, and that is very very good. So tomorrow when we are meeting, we are going to do, so we have still 8 questions to be done. तो कल revision नहीं करेंगे, कल on point question करना start करेंगे. तो be on time. I will bring 10 questions. We'll try to cover those 10 questions as quickly as we can, and it will be a time based thing, right? So the moment you see the question, I'll put a timer of 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes. We will see. You tell me tomorrow that what will work best for you, and we'll start solving the question. So I hope that is a good plan, because we have worked on concepts, we have done difficult questions, topic wise kar liya, strategy kar li, elaborate concepts discuss kar liya. So I think you should be ready. How many of you are ready? Can we do it like this tomorrow? But I would be wanting all of you to be present, right? Quick 20 questions, and with speed. ठीक है, 10 questions, 20 तो नहीं हो पाएंगे. We're done for the day. I got 5. आप लोग इतने स्मार्ट हो गए हो, तो मेरे पास में क्वेश्चन ही आज यूजुअली 6 होता नहीं था. ठीक है, तो कल 10 करेंगे. ठीक है. So tomorrow we are meeting. So hopefully it should be the finale. Depends on you, but I would want to finish. Okay, and the evening, please start joining students for this. This is will be very fruitful for your CAT preparation. I don't know. I mean, I hardly see any of you there. Start participating in this series also at YouTube. Okay, and these are upcoming batches. Ritika, you are wonderful, right? Ushan, these slots are fixed, so I can't really do much. Up 8:30 aa jao. Join whenever you can, but join. It's very very important. It will help. Trust me on this. It's like a CAT capsule sort of a thing. Doing previous year ka questions and various types. तो पूरे दिन में हर type का question का practice हो जाता है. ठीक है. So you can see top trainers, top educators. You can participate. Join the batches for 2021. ठीक है. And I did tell you about our iconic program. So there are some amazing features, and they are very very promising. Like I always feel professional help always helps. So you can consider opting for this plan. The fees for 6 months, so you have iconic for 6 months. The fees is 25,800, and if you go for 2 years, the fees has been slashed down to 59,999. Plus subscription is there for 18 months, so the fees is 28,550. And in case you're targeting CAT and campus recruitments, the fees for 12 months is 29,624. For 6 months it is 19,916. So hopefully it should be most welcome, Saurabh. See you in the evening. See you tomorrow. For YouTube, if there is any content which is inappropriate, you can report it. If you're the first one to report, you might win some exciting prizes. And these were a part of our iconic 2020 program who have made it to IIMs. I expect that you will also come out with flying colors. Please have a great day. Start joining evening sessions and see you tomorrow on time. We'll be quickly doing good 10 questions and only questions. Okay. So God bless you. Thank you so much for your wonderful participation. Please take care. All the best. Bye. Bye.